Hello everyone. So today I want to show you guys step by step how I do my hair, my curls, and a lot of you guys were requesting me to kind of do a very detailed tutorial for you guys how I do my curls using my Dyson Air Wrap that I absolutely love. My Dyson Air Wrap comes with 8 attachments. Also, there is like a beautiful mat that I like to use. For this look, I will use my firm brush and the actual air wrap, the 40mm air wrap. Let's get started. So the first thing, I use my heat protector, and this is Desert Essence, which I love it, and it smells so coconut. I spray all over my hair. You can guys see I have long hair, and usually it takes about like 15 minutes for me to do my own hair. So the first attachment that I use is this one. Okay, so I usually like to use the heat, which is the high heat. Pressure right here again is in the high position. So with this tool, I'm gonna remove the majority of the moisture that I have in my hair. So now I'm working mostly on this part. If you dry your hair more, you won't get that beautiful curls, and it won't last for an hour, let's say. It will be very loose curls. So that's why I like my hair to be moistured but not like watery. So the next step is my air wraps. They have different directions. One goes clockwise, the other goes counterclockwise. So I'm gonna section my hair now. So I will be taking about an inch, like this much hair. I have like a thick hair. I'm not gonna take like the whole bunch, so I'm gonna take only an inch. What I saw in the reviews that people like to start from the end of the hair and they kind of wrap around, but this way doesn't work for my hair. I feel like it is good for short hair, but just because my hair is long, I feel like I have my own way of doing my air wrap, and I have more volume when I do the way that I do. First of all, I always keep my brush. I actually rub my hair like this. So this is how I like to do my hair with my air wrap. I hold my hair 10 to 15 seconds like this. The reason why I do so, because I feel like I have more volume and it lasts longer. So I hold for 5 seconds because it's really hot, and then I let it go. But I like to do 2 times because again my hair is very thick and coarse. So I like to go with my brush again and do it one more time. So hold for 5 seconds. So this is my curls. Everyone has its own way to do their hair, and this is my personal preference. So for this part, I take out the barrel, and you have to pop it up from here like this because it's really hot. I'm gonna put the other barrel, which goes into this direction. And then one more time, I'm gonna brush. I don't really like to switch the barrels. First, I do the left part, and then when I'm done with the left part, I'm going to switch the barrel and start with the right part. All my hair. So after 10 seconds, it's very hot actually. After 10 seconds, it's going to let it go. And then you let it go. Second time, I'm gonna go second time. Do you see how I work on my roots? The reason why I do it that I want my roots to have a lot of volume. You hold it a couple of seconds and then let it go. Time as I and then let it run. I think that it was worth it to pay $600 for Dyson Air Wrap. I really enjoy every time when I do my hair. So this was the way that I like to do my hair, and I hope you guys like this video tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button and also like this video, and see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.